Hi everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today in this video we are going to discuss the differences between breathing and respiration. You know that some students think both are the same process, breathing and respiration are same, but these two are totally different processes. Now let's see what are the differences between breathing and respiration. When we talk about breathing, breathing is simply inhalation and exhalation. We inhale oxygen and exhale out carbon dioxide. We take in oxygen and release out carbon dioxide. This is what we call breathing. But when we talk about respiration, respiration is totally internal process. It takes place inside the cells, and in this process the glucose gets oxidized. Oxidation of glucose takes place here. Glucose is one of the end product of digestion. So breathing takes place in the lungs, whereas respiration takes place in the cells. And in the cell also, in which cell organelle it takes place? Inside the mitochondria. You have seen in case of aerobic respiration that first step of respiration takes place in cytoplasm when glucose changes to pyruvate, and then total respiration takes place, or you can say that oxidation of glucose takes place inside the mitochondria where we get energy. And breathing is the physical voluntary process. Yes, voluntary process and involuntary process. These two processes you have done in class 9th also. Voluntary processes are the process on which we have command, we have control. So we have control on our breathing. You can hold your breathing for some time. But as far as respiration is concerned, it is chemical involuntary process. Why is it involuntary? Because it goes on the regular basis. You cannot have any control on respiration. And it is chemical process because the food gets oxidized here. So this is totally internal process, chemical involuntary process. Breathing is extracellular process, means it does not take place inside the cell, it takes place outside the cell. Whereas respiration takes place inside the cell. So this is intracellular process. And you know that breathing is the physical process, and because it is the physical process, there is no need of any enzyme. So no enzymes are used during the process of breathing. But in case of respiration, a large number of enzymes are used. And breathing takes place through the respiratory organs like lungs and nose. So main respiratory organs are lungs and nose. And in case of respiration, because it takes place inside the cell, and in which cell organelle it takes place, that is mitochondria. And mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of the cell because the lot of energy is released during the process of respiration. I hope you all have understood the topic properly. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.